Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be talking to you about a new product that I got made from Quebec. So it's locally made here where I live. It's going to protect the charging port. I usually don't charge the car outside because my level 2 charger is right here in the garage. But I do sometimes have to charge it outside when I have to use the garage and I can park the car. And I still haven't found a product that protected the charging port in case it's raining or there's snow or there's even freezing rain. So this is a great product that I found, and I want to thank Jose, which is in our Facebook group, who actually showed us the product. So I ended up getting one, and I just want to show you guys how it works. So let's get to it. Before getting to the product, I just want to thank all my followers and subscribers. If you haven't done it yet, please like and subscribe to my channel. I also have other videos about my experience with the RAV4 Prime for almost 6 months now, or almost 7. And also all the modifications I've done, I usually document them and I have videos for it. So don't miss those out. Now let's get to the product. So this is the product I got. Like I mentioned, this is locally made in Quebec. The company is called Knox Shield, I believe. So it's a perfect cutout for the RAV4 Prime, as you can see. I'm just going to show it to you how we install this. So the charging port. So you do have to get this out first. And I'm going to try to do this with one hand. There you go. And the holes actually perfectly align here. And you have a second hole here. Just have to push it here. And this, you put it right here behind. And the protector here, you can still hang it here. Still fits. And you have enough space to actually put your charger here, which is plugged in right now. So guys, this is not permanent, so I know it's hanging. It's just temporary to show you guys, for this video. So I'm gonna use the level 1 charger. Whoop. Stop. There you go. So it covers everything. I think this is pretty good coverage. But I do have to mention that this is not something you leave in the car. So let me show you why. So let me just undo this, unlock. So you can't just simply leave this all the time, because first of all, you want to be able to close this. And you need to put this back inside to close the lid. So this is really something to put on only when you're charging and you're gonna leave it outside. So for myself, it's gonna be only a few times. So when it's raining, when it's snowing, or there's freezing rain, that's the only times I'll be using it. To take it off, it's very easy. There you go. That's it, folks. I hope you liked the video. So for this product, I do find there's one downside for it, which is you cannot see the light turning on when you're plugging it in, so you don't know if the car is charging or not. But that's very easy. You can just open the door. You can find out from the dashboard, the gauge cluster, if the car is charging. But sometimes it's just good to see that little green light turning on, saying that it's starting the charge. The fact that you can't leave it on all the time, yeah, it's a downside, but at the same time, I wouldn't always want something, in the charging port. You might make a lot of noise, or you might damage the car. So in my opinion, having it on just when you're charging it outside, it's a good thing. And also, I don't want to go with the big domes that has magnets attaching to the outside the car. So I'll try to put a picture somewhere here to show you what I'm talking about. Those domes, I didn't want to use them because I was scared it would actually scratch the paint. I know it's covered with fabric, but at the same time, I wanted something, that goes straight into the charging port and not something outside the on the car itself. So that's it, folks. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any suggestions of any other videos I should be doing, please write them below in the comment section. And I'll see you guys next time.